Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn to add comments in WordPress. Adding comments allows your visitors to have a discussion with you. Comments are approved by the admin and then posted to be discussed further. To add comments to your pages, click on Pages. Then click on All Pages. The list of pages created in WordPress will get displayed. Select any of the pages you want to add comments to. Here, I am going to add comment in Love Song page. So I will click on Love Song. To add a comment on this page, click on Screen Options present at the top right-hand corner. The drop-down list of screen option gets displayed. Check the discussion and comments box. Now you will see the discussion and comments box at the bottom of your page. In the discussion section, there are two options present. First is Allow Comments. It allows visitors to comment on your blog posts and pages. Second is Allow Trackbacks and Pingbacks on this page. It allows visitors to give pings and trackbacks. In the comment section, you can add comments by clicking on Add Comment button. Click on Update button after adding the comment box. So this is how you can add comment box on your pages or posts. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.